Hey, I'm Gary from the Braid Besties, and today we are unboxing and giving away a free sample of the Lulutress Bohemian Braid 20 inches in the color 1B27. Let's get into it. This Lulutress Bohemian Braid comes in a pack of 3 bundles. This is what it looks like at the front, and this is the back of it, showing different styles of Lulutress crochet hair. We're going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, the 1B27 is an ombre braid, so it goes from the black, the 1B, to the 27, which is a golden blonde. Now when you take off the protective netting, this is what the curl pattern looks like. I'd describe it as a silkier version of the water wave crochet. So we're going to go ahead and install a little bit so you can see what it looks like. And because it's a crochet, you use a crochet hook, and I usually do a double loop so that it doesn't come loose. You can see the curl pattern coming out now, and this is what it looks like when you install a couple of them. And this is what it looks like when I've worn it in the past. Today's sample of the day is live on my website, thebraidbesties.com.au, and you can redeem it using the code SAMPLEOFTHEDAY if you live in Australia or New Zealand. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for another drop.